Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for weekly automotive mechanical content for the average shade tree mechanic. Alright guys, so this is just going to be a quick update. Just some things that I want y'all to be aware of. So I recently, when I say recently, I was like 2 hours ago, I sold my Nito Ridge grapplers. So I ended up getting rid of those. Totally attached to these Cooper AT3 XLTs. After that update, I do have some other stuff that I have coming in. So let me go ahead and actually show that to you. Alright guys, so I recently got another one set of speakers. So this is going to keep me busy. This is for the front doors. One thing I did order are these new headlights. So these are going to be extremely cool. They're like half the price of the Morimotos. I'm really looking forward to this upgrade. I'm sure y'all are too. Just like a lot of other things, I find myself being a guinea pig just for some new products and whatnot. And just as a reminder, I am not sponsored. I buy everything off of my own dime. So yeah, it's kind of, you know, trying to see what items I could get the best bang for my buck. So definitely looking forward to those headlights. And then one thing that I know a lot of y'all have been looking forward to is getting my truck deleted. Now, this is only step one. So here's the box. Here's the first set of parts. And so essentially, I ordered this off of Amazon, and came through FedEx. So let's see what actually came in the package. So that's about it in that box. And not sure when specifically I want to actually delete the truck, but you know what, I'm getting ready for it. I'm getting pumped. I've been doing a lot of research. Feel free to keep leaving me any advice, tips, tricks, who you went with, tuners, and whatnot. But for now, let's go ahead and go through this kit. So this is the throttle valve, and I believe what this part does is remove, just essentially open up the intake horn with this throttle valve. Alright, so I got that, and I got this set because it was in black. I wanted it in black. I needed this also in black. There's some that are sold with blue. I'm not really a fan of blue. I don't want that underneath my hood. So I went with this kit, and I will go ahead and post a link to this kit in the description box below. So here's actually for the EGR. Whoa, sorry, my finger was in the way. And so this is the gasket to the throttle valve, and they also attached the, well, I guess I'll go ahead and just take this out real quick. Alright guys, so this actually replaces the EGR that gets mounted up on top of the intake horn, so this will look nice. It is black, I don't care for this, but it will match with the throttle valve. So here's something that I have no idea what this is, nor do I know what this is, but when the time does come, I will be well prepared in order to install all this and know where it comes, or know where it goes. There's a couple gaskets, a bunch of clamps, some bolts, and then these are the cutoff plates. So this one I believe goes in the far back. The only way I know that is because that's where the EGT probe can go into with that small little Allen bolt. Here's the other block off plate. So they're black. And this kit was relatively cheap. I wanted to stay cheap because it all does the same thing. There are some kits out there that are like 220 bucks. I can't find that being worth my buck. Alright, so I went with this kit. And here's a mounting bracket for something I have no clue on. But essentially, here's the first set of parts that I will be buying in order to delete my truck. Alright, so again guys, I am not sure when I'm actually going to delete my truck, but I am starting to make progress towards doing that. Yes, I'm very excited. I've heard a lot of great things about deleting your truck, a lot of sayings like, hey, you won't regret it. Again, please continue to leave any advice, tuners,
who sent your tunes, who did the tunes, and just all those little things that could really help anyone like me or any other viewer that's in the same boat about deleting their truck. So yeah, I just want to leave it at that. Just a quick update. I'm actually going to start installing the speakers. This will be a separate video so that people don't have to watch this in order to see how to install these speakers. But until next time, ciao.
Perfect.